Hello everyone, it's Ron. It's been a while. I've been going and doing headshots and traveling and doing some videos up and down the East Coast for some of my other YouTube channels. But I decided to get back online and discuss something that's come about recently. What I've decided to do is not to use, and I would like to see all photographers, I know it's hard to do, but all photographers follow suit and not use DJI. Now, what is DJI and why did I say that? Well, DJI is a Chinese-owned company that have put the Uyghurs, a lot of people have heard about them, in concentration camps and used forced labor and genocide for the Uyghurs, who is a sect of Muslim Chinese that have been imprisoned for their beliefs. And so the US government has recently came out and sanctioned DJI for the use of drones and surveillance of the Uyghurs in the concentration camps and for forced labor. You gotta excuse that, that's my phone. But anyway, so under that heading too is DJI has recently acquired Hasselblad. So that being said, I'd like to see people come out and actually boycott DJI products. The drones, the gimbals, their camera systems, which would include Hasselblad. And if you don't believe me, you can look it up. Look at DJI sanctions the US government. And I think it's very, very beneficial to the community of photographers and people as a whole to come out and support this cause. If they don't have money, they can't commit genocide. So when you have a country who owns a company or has a vested interest in a company who supports this kind of conduct, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I just can't do it. I can't support DJI. I cannot buy their products. I can buy or their subsidiaries. And I'd like to see other photographers follow suit. But really, a lot of Hasselblad's a great product. DJI is a great product for most people that have to use them. But hey, there's something that's more relevant than money. And fame and glory or whatever your reasoning behind buying into the field of photography. But I would love to see people boycott DJI for that reason. The CCP, the Chinese Communist Party, is enslaved for forced labor, the genocide of the Uyghurs for their religious beliefs, and I just can't support them. I would like you to leave your thoughts below in the comments. Please leave the comments below and let me know what you think about it. If I'm right, I'm wrong. Hey, I respect your opinions, but me personally, I'm not going to buy DJI. And I'd like to thank everybody very much and have a Merry Christmas.